Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexis. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing. So I just got my products from ColourPop and I am super duper excited to open these. So if you're interested in seeing some swatches and seeing what I got, keep watching. Alright, my glasses were way too distracting with all the light reflecting off of them. So I've got my handy dandy scissors here, cutting open my box. So excited. And I got a ton of stuff. I just hope that it all came like together and not in different packages, but it looks to be like I've got everything here. So holy shit, I'm so excited. So the little box looks like this on the inside, open in case of a party emergency. So I'll go through the list and tell you everything that I got. So shorty is Sherbet Day from ColourPop. So, oh, go shorty, it's Sherbet Day. Okay. Alright, so let's see what I got. I got the bundle brush set. I got the Shadow Shock and Banana Daiquiri, Cusp, Cuteologist, Dare, Don't Leave, Lit Ear, Sidekick, Whittle. Oh shit, I think I have Whittle already. Oh well, bugger. Bumblebee, Superfly, Ripple, Etiquette, and a few more brushes. So I got another blending, another tapered, another small tapered, and an F12, which is the small detail brush. So they were actually having a sale on ColourPop, buy one get one off, or get one for free for their Super Shock shadows. So I was all over that. So, oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll show you all the brushes I got. Holy samosas. Alright. So these are all the brushes I got because I'm in desperate need of some new brushes. The ones that I have just sometimes don't do the job that I need them to. So, and these are all of the Super Shock shadows that I got. And oh my god, they're so pretty. I have been waiting for, I ordered these on Thursday last week. And it's Monday, so that's not too shabby. So I've got all my shadows here. I'm going to swatch them for you, and then I'm going to do another video where I will do a try-on of these because I have an idea of what I want to do. I've just been waiting for these shadows to come in. Oh, I'm so excited. And I was like, when I came into my beauty room, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to wash my brushes last night because we went out to dinner with with my husband's parents, and then I was like, wait a second, you just got your package and all new brushes. Oh my god. So yes, very excited about these. Oh, I even have a little fan brush that's a little warped. But that's all right. Fan brushes have a tendency to do that. But this is the fan brush. Isn't it pretty? And this is the F2 brush. This nice, beautiful, oh god, that's soft. I got another E2 brush, which is my favorite floofy ended brush. Putting that in my little brush holder. So I got this is the E5. Why doesn't it have it on there though? That's weird. So this is an E5. I'm assuming let me see what this one is. E5 is the pencil brush. So it's a small little head like so. And then I dropped my other one, which is the E9, which I already have. It's a smaller floofy ended brush. I got the E4, which is a medium shader brush, but that's E4. So it looks like this, very similar to a concealer brush. So that might have dual uses for me. Then I've got the F5, which is a small fluff brush, which I reckon would be really nice for like highlighters and stuff like that. The next one that just fell out is the F12, which is a small detail brush. So it's got a bit of an angle to it. So it's kind of angled there. So again, that'd be really nice, I think, for highlighter, kind of like hugging to the cheek. I already did the F5, so I'll pop that in there. I got another E2. Oh my God, how many E2s do I have? All right, so I have 3 E2 brushes now. So, you know, never run out apparently. Then I've got so much trash on my bench. Then I've got this E6, the angled eye brush. So that would be really good for me to try out doing more of a winged liner now. Then I got the F3, which is the angled face brush. So that looks like that'd be really nice for like blush or like cream contour or something like that. Then I got, ooh, this comes in a fancy case. I got an F1. Ooh, oh my goodness. This is a blending brush, and holy samosas. I can't explain to you how soft these feel. They are so freaking nice. Then I got an E1, which I already have. So I've got a second one. Then I have an F4, which is a stippling brush, which I don't have. So it's got these, I think Raw Beauty Kristi calls them dual fiber bristles. So yeah, I've got one of these now, which again would be really good for like a cream highlighter or something like that. Then I got an E3, which is a small shader brush, so it looks like so. And then I have another E1, which I already have one of, but it's this one is a blending brush. So this is what my brush jar looks like now, full of ColourPop. Now let's move on to the shadows. I'm so exciting. I'm so exciting. Oh my gosh. Lord help me. Oh no, one of them came damaged. Bugger. Oh, 2 of them came damaged. Oh, bugger. Oh, hang on. Let me check the rest of them. Oh, fuck me. That one is ruined. Oh, I wonder what I can do. If I can, like, get a hold of ColourPop and let them know that these shadows are, like, mangled. Oh, that makes me really sad. Like, oh, fuck. Those were the ones I was going to use to do one of my makeup looks today. I might just push them back in and say stuff it and just go along with it anyway. Okay, so the first color I'm going to show you is the color Bumblebee. And it's this really pretty orange shade here. So that's Bumblebee. I'll watch it up higher. There we go. Let's watch it from this side. So that's Bumblebee. That's a couple passes on it. But, yeah. So it looks, oh, it's so pretty. And it's got this beautiful shimmer to it. These all have beautiful shimmer to them. The next color I'm going to show you is the color Don't Leave. And it is a really pretty bright pink, like this neon pink color. Oh, holy samosas. That is stunning. I can't get my arm right. That is so pretty. And if you can see the shimmer in it, oh, so nice. The next color I've got, oof, this color is everything. It's called Dare, and it's got like, it looks like blue and pink and purple glitter in it. How amazing is that color? So there it is. So that's Dare. And that's really pretty. I need to work out how Raw Beauty Kristi does these swatches so well. Alright, so I'm going to stick with the purples. And this is Whittle. It's this really pretty purpley, almost like a burgundy color. Here. Ooh, that's pretty. And you can see the reflect in it. Oh wow, that is so nice. That purple reflect is amazing. The next shade is Ripple. It's this really pretty like lilac almost, and it's got blue reflect in it. Blue and green almost, it looks like. Whoop. So that is Ripple. And that is stunning. It's very similar to, which one was it? Very similar to Whittle, but not quite. So you can see this one is much more pink. This is much more purpley. The pink and orange, as you can see, these have stained my arm a bit. So if I go out in public today, I'm going to be looking a hot mess. I'm going to swatch these other ones. I'm going to swatch them on my arm and then I'll show you. Because I'm trying to do it this way is just confusing the shit out of me. So the first color I'm going to do is Superfly. And I'm going to be going from left to right. Okay. It's this really pretty aqua color. It's definitely more, and it's got green reflect in it. I'll see if I can get that to pick up on camera. That's a bit better. So that's really pretty. The next one is Lit Year, which is this really deep green black color. Oh, hells yeah. All right, I'll show that to you. So how pretty is that? The next color I got is Cuteologist. So it's this orangey shade here. This is really pretty too. So then I've got Cuteologist. There. Then I'm going to swatch Cusp, which is this really pretty aqua kind of a green. Like, it's not quite seafoam. It's definitely more of a... I'm not sure what kind of green this is. It's like a sea foam. Well, it's slightly darker than a sea foam, but it has blue and green and like I think yellow reflect in it. It looks like, but that's what this one looks like. Oh, that's hella bright. I love that. It's not picking it up very well on camera, but that is definitely super pretty. But yeah, definitely like a sea foam green kind of color going on. I'm gonna swatch my broken one, which is Sidekick. Look at it. Oh. I mean, these are cream shadows, so I guess I can just kind of push it back into the pan, but that's really disappointing. So this is Sidekick. That's a really pretty gold. Really pretty gold. So this is like going to be a little two-parter video because I don't want it to be like forever and ever and ever long. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to show you the swatches right now, and then I'm going to move on and do a look with them. Even though they are broken, I don't give a shit. The next one I'm going to show you is Etiquette. It's this really, really pretty navy blue. Again, it is damaged, as you can see there. So I'm just going to pop some of this on, and this has got like light blue reflect in it. Ooh, that's dark. That is really dark. Oh, you can see as my arm goes up, it's like a graph now, a graph of color. And the last one I have to show you is this really pretty, now this is definitely like a seafoam green. This is Banana Daiquiri. I don't know why you would name a green shade Banana Daiquiri, but see, that's how it's come to me. It's busted up too. So see, I've pushed it back in and it's working pretty well. And I don't understand the name versus the color. Oof. Wow. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right, so guys, oh, I'm gonna get this all over me. All right, so that is the end of this first parter video. I am really, really excited to give these colors a go, see what they do, see how they perform, and check out a look that I have been so keen to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. This is the first type of like official unboxing video I've done, but again, this content is not sponsored. I bought every single one of these products myself. But I just really wanted to show you guys what I got. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.